For this headband, you are going to need some soft bulky yarn, a pair of scissors, crochet needle, and crochet hook. I'm using 5mm hook. So first, you are going to leave a long piece of yarn because we will need it later, and then you are going to chain 11. Nine, 10, 11, and then in these loops you are going to do a single crochet. So yarn over and again yarn over. Pull, yarn over, and again. This is the only thing you will be doing for the whole headband. Just single crochets. When you reach the end of the first row, you just chain 1, turn your work, and then again single crochet into each of these 2 loops. And you just repeat these steps until you reach your final size. You measure it by wrapping it around your head. I will measure you mine. I will meet you when I reach my final size. So when you reach your final size, you chain 1 and then again leave a long piece of yarn. Here is where we started. So you put it like this, so it's the middle, and then you pull your yarn through your crochet hook and sew your way . Then you put the left piece over the middle and the right piece over the middle, and again you sew everything together. Then you take this piece and also sew it together. Then you take both pieces and just make a knot. 2 or 3 times just to make it safe. And then you cut the extra. And here is your crochet headband.